आपकी मीटिंग है ना सर, वो निमेश सर ने बोला था कि
हाँ,
कल
अरे वो
टीचर्स
मीटिंग
डे।
भी है और बहुत सारे काम है।
सर कल टीचर्स डे, हैप्पी टीचर्स डे सर।
थैंक यू इन
अरे
एडवांस।
कल है ना क्लास, कल कर देंगे।
नहीं, कल तो छुट्टी होगी ना टीचर्स डे के दिन तो।
सर का तो भला पूछा, ले भी ले।
कल अगर स्कूल में छुट्टी रहा तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, आपके 40-40 मिनट के 2 क्लास लूँगा, ठीक है। ओके, सेल्फ इंडक्टेंस ये स्टोरी हो गया था।
म्यूचुअल की भी हो गई थी। रेसिप्रोसिटी थियरम।
दिस इज द क्वेश्चन टू यू।
Let us calculate the self-induction of।
कैलकुलेट सेल्फ इंडक्टेंस ऑफ लॉन्ग सोलेनॉइड, लेंथ इज एल।
सर ये तो डेरिवेशन कल आपने करवाया था ना।
नहीं, ये थोड़ा अलग है। So better to pay attention here. You are given a solenoid whose length is L, number density of turns N, cross sectional area equal to A, permeability of core is mu 0, तो उसका सेल्फ इंडक्टेंस कितना होगा? दिस इज द क्वेश्चन। सो सॉल्यूशन में लेट I बी द करंट, किस में पास करेंगे? इन सोलेनॉइड। ओके, नाउ डू वी नो दिस? What is formula for inductance?
Phi t by I।
It was L equal to N phi by I, right?
Phi b by I।
Instead of phi, can I write B dot A
b dot। Yes sir।
upon
b
I
sub।
equal to N B A? I'll write cos 0 upon I.
Yes sir।
Therefore, L equal to N. Instead
and
of
b
B, I can write mu 0 N I. So I'll write,
yes
yeah, mu 0 N I
I cancel।
and divide by I. A continues.
2a।
So it is N mu 0 small n capital A. Therefore L equal to N mu 0. Shall I write capital N by L into A? Because number
यस
density
सर।
of turn is turn by
yes
length.
n square mu 0 la।
So L equal to mu 0 n square A by L. इसका importance क्या है? Why did we derive this? This proves
for total
that
number।
self inductance depends on n
ए
turns, cross sectional area, 3 length, and the core. Why the core? Yeah, winding was over the vacuum. Okay, now if I bring a twist in the story, there is an iron rod and on that winding is made, and now permeability of the core is mu, then inductance is going to be mu n square A by L. Okay, you can modify this expression. We know that relative permeability is absolute permeability divided by permeability of vacuum. Therefore, mu equal to mu 0 mu r. Then in that case, L equal to mu 0 mu r n square A divided by L.
तो म्यू आर की कोई यूनिटी नहीं होगी.
Understood?
Yes sir.
Okay. Okay, another important concept. Explain that role played by mass in motion is equivalent to inductance in AC current.
हाफ एल आई स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला.
Mass की जगह I can write inertia also, because mass
Yes.
and inertia are same. So in short, what you are asked to prove, that role played by inertia is equivalent to self inductance.
सर तो वर्क डन का फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे ना इसमें. W इज इक्वल टू 1
नहीं, पहले तो ये समझना है, वो बाद में. How come these two are strikingly matching?
Analogy sir.
एनालॉजी.
What is that?
वर्क डन दोनों के लिए मतलब 1/2 फॉर इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज के लिए 1/2
Li square.
आई स्क्वायर और उसके लिए काइनेटिक एनर्जी में मोमेंट ऑफ
वो
इनर्शिया.
बाद में आया, वो मैथमेटिक्स से आपने इक्वेशन को कंपेयर करके सेम प्रूव कर दिया.
हाँ.
I want physics behind it. A mass at rest will oppose the effort, that is the force, to set it
वो तो
in
न्यूटन
motion. Do you agree?
यस सर. न्यूटन्स लॉ ऑफ मोशन.
Okay. A coil having inductance, cell, will oppose the effort to increase current in it. Right or wrong?
लेंस लॉ. यस सर.
कॉइल के अंदर करंट बढ़ाना चाहेंगे तो इंड्यूस EMF विल ऑपोजिट.
यस.
तो मास जो स्टेट ऑफ रेस्ट पे था, यू ट्राई टू ब्रिंग इनटू द मोशन, इट विल ऑपोजिट. नाउ ऑपोजिट स्टोरी लिख सकते हैं. A mass in motion, what it will do? It will oppose the effort. Effort means the force to stop it. This is inertia, no? Stationary
Yes,
object
sir.
tries to remain stationary, and here moving object continues to tries to remain in motion. So similarly, current in a coil, here which wording? A coil, so I'll use the same wording. A coil having inductance will oppose the decrease in current in it, right? This implies that the way inertia opposes change in state of motion, in the same way inductor the property of inductance opposes change in state of current. So they are identical, not same, but this properties is
Identical.
somewhat similar. Okay, now new question: obtain formula for energy stored in an inductor.
Energy density.
Okay, in answer you will take
Analogy.
a coil which is nothing but an inductor. Okay, let I equal to current in it, di by dt equal to time rate of change of current. Let L be its self inductance. Then one can write epsilon equal to L di by dt, here ignoring negative sign. We are bothered only about the value. What is epsilon?
Voltage.
सेल्फ इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ. ये लिखेंगे नहीं तो मार्क नहीं मिलेगा. सीधा यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे. दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव सीन स्टूडेंट स्टार्टिंग, एंड व्हेन वी रिड्यूस मार्क दे कम दैट सर पूरा तो लिखा था, मार्क्स क्यों नहीं दिया. ओके, व्हाट इज पावर फार्मूला?
IV.
इलेक्ट्रिक पावर
E square L square V square upon
Yeah.
एप्सिलॉन इनटू आई.
Yes, sir.
So this is dw by dt
Yes,
equal to
sir.
epsilon into I. In book they have put in modulus sign, means negative sign is ignored. We already have written that. So dw by dt, what is
I told you.
epsilon? L di by dt and I, because epsilon equal to L di by dt. dt gets cancelled.
सर
Therefore
BLV भी ले ही सकते हैं ना.
क्या
BLV
BLV नहीं, वो मोशनल हो गया. फिर L का वी वांट एनर्जी स्टोर्ड इन एन इंडक्टर, तो L तो लाना ही पड़ेगा. सो यू नीड टू यूज दैट एक्सप्रेशन इन विच L इज प्रेजेंट.
Of
Okay.
integrating both the side.
Now if I integrate, I have to integrate. L is constant, I di, initial value of current was 0 and it increase up to I. So during that effort work done is dw, so that gives W. Therefore W equal to L integration of I is I square by 2
2.
0 to I. Therefore W equal to half Li
Li.
square, and that is energy. This is it. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. If I ask you in which form energy is stored,
Charges.
is stored in an inductor, what is your answer?
Heat.
Heat.
Answer is here in this figure. Sorry, in this formula.
Current.
Solenoid.
No. Okay, I'm giving hint. In capacitor, यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ,
Inductor.
Magnetic field.
यहाँ पे ये चार्जेस था तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के फॉर्म में स्टोर हुआ था.
हाँ.
And in inductor, due to current there will be magnetic field around it. So answer is in the form of magnetic field. Okay, because though there is current I, but because of current क्या बना? Magnetic field. In capacitor it is electric field, and in inductor it is magnetic field. We'll lose contact at any moment. You are not supposed to join back. I'm little busy today. Tomorrow, if holiday, then we'll meet for a longer time.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
I'm ending the meeting.